Hey everyone, it's J Healthy Lifestyle. Eating a variety of fruits and vegetables is crucial for good health. But did you know green beans are often overlooked? They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Let's dive into the incredible world of green beans. They boost your immune system, strengthen bones, and improve vision. Hit subscribe for more health tips. Let's talk about fiber, a crucial component of a healthy diet that often doesn't get the attention it deserves. Fiber is a type of carbohydrate that our bodies can't digest, but it plays a vital role in keeping our digestive system running smoothly. Adequate fiber intake is linked to a lower risk of heart disease, stroke, type 2 diabetes, and some cancers. Green beans are an excellent source of dietary fiber. Incorporating them into your meals promotes a healthy gut and overall well-being. When it comes to fiber, green beans are a true powerhouse. 1 cup of cooked green beans provides about 4 grams of fiber. This high fiber content benefits our digestive health. It adds bulk to our stool, preventing constipation. Fiber acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. A healthy gut microbiome contributes to overall well-being. All right, let's talk about your heart. You want to keep that thing ticking like a well-oiled machine, right? Well, green beans can actually lend a hand, or should I say a bean. One of the ways they do this is with their impressive fiber content. Now, fiber isn't just for keeping you regular, although that's definitely a plus. It also plays a key role in managing your cholesterol levels. See, when you eat green beans, the fiber binds to cholesterol in your digestive system, preventing it from being fully absorbed into your bloodstream. This can lead to lower levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad kind that can clog your arteries, and it doesn't stop there. Fiber can also help regulate blood pressure, another crucial factor in maintaining a healthy heart. So, by incorporating green beans into your diet, you're giving your heart some serious love. But wait, there's more. Green beans aren't just packing fiber, they've also got a decent amount of potassium. And let me tell you, potassium is like a best friend to your cardiovascular system. Why is potassium so important? Well, it helps to counteract the negative effects of sodium, which, as we know, can raise blood pressure. By balancing out sodium levels, potassium helps keep those blood vessels nice and relaxed. And when your blood vessels are relaxed, it means your heart doesn't have to work as hard to pump blood throughout your body. That's a win-win situation. Less strain on your heart means a lower risk of heart disease down the line. So remember, green beans. They're not just a tasty side dish, they're a heart-healthy powerhouse.
Now let's talk about something that's on a lot of people's minds, weight management. It's a journey, and let me tell you, green beans can be a great companion along the way. Remember how we talked about fiber and its cholesterol-lowering powers? Well, that same fiber can work wonders when it comes to managing your weight. You see, fiber is incredibly filling. When you eat fiber-rich foods like green beans, they add bulk to your meals, which sends signals to your brain that you're full and satisfied. This can help prevent overeating and those pesky cravings that can derail your progress. And because fiber slows down digestion, it keeps you feeling fuller for longer, so you're less likely to reach for unhealthy snacks between meals. It's like having a secret weapon against those mid-afternoon munchies. But the weight management benefits of green beans don't stop there. Not only are they packed with fiber, but they're also incredibly low in calories. We're talking about a guilt-free food here, people. You can load up your plate with green beans without worrying about blowing your calorie budget. And the best part? They're bursting with essential vitamins and minerals, so you're nourishing your body while you manage your weight. It's all about making smart choices, and choosing green beans over processed snacks or calorie-laden sides is a no-brainer. You get to enjoy a delicious and satisfying meal without the guilt. So if you're looking for a healthy and sustainable way to manage your weight, look no further than the humble green bean.
Okay, let's be real. A strong immune system is like having a superpower, especially these days. And guess what? Green beans can be your trusty sidekick in the fight against those pesky germs. One of their secret weapons? Vitamin C. You know, that powerhouse antioxidant we always hear about. Well, green beans are a surprisingly good source of this immune-boosting vitamin. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting the function of your white blood cells, which are the frontline soldiers of your immune system. They're the ones that identify and destroy harmful invaders like bacteria and viruses. And it doesn't stop there. Vitamin C also helps to protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your body and weaken your immune system. But wait, there's more to the immune-boosting power of green beans. They're not just packing vitamin C, they've got a whole arsenal of antioxidants ready to defend your health. We're talking about flavonoids, carotenoids, and other powerful compounds that work together to protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which can weaken your immune system over time. These antioxidants act like scavengers, neutralizing those harmful free radicals before they can cause damage and keep your immune system functioning at its best. Think of them as the cleanup crew that keeps your body in tip-top shape. So, remember, by adding green beans to your diet, you're not just enjoying a delicious vegetable. You're giving your immune system the support it needs to fight off those nasty bugs and keep you feeling your best.
Now, while calcium and vitamin K are the superstars when it comes to bone health, don't underestimate the supporting role of other nutrients found in green beans. We're talking about magnesium and phosphorus, minerals that are also involved in bone formation and maintenance. Magnesium helps regulate calcium absorption, ensuring your body uses it efficiently. Phosphorus, on the other hand, works alongside calcium to form the strong mineral structure of your bones. Think of them as the building blocks that give your bones their strength and resilience. So when you enjoy a serving of green beans, you're not just getting a single nutrient for bone health, you're getting a whole team of nutrients working together to keep your skeletal system in tip-top shape.
Green beans aren't just good for your bones, they're also beneficial for your vision. And the secret weapon here is vitamin A, a nutrient that's absolutely essential for maintaining healthy eyesight. Vitamin A plays a crucial role in the process of converting light into signals that your brain can interpret as images. In simpler terms, it helps your eyes adjust to different light conditions and see clearly. One of the key components of vitamin A is beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives green beans their vibrant color. Beta-carotene protects your eyes from damage caused by free radicals, those unstable molecules that can harm cells and contribute to age-related eye diseases. By including green beans in your diet, you're giving your eyes a healthy dose of vitamin A and beta-carotene, both of which are vital for maintaining good vision and protecting against vision problems as you age. While vitamin A is great for eye health, green beans also contain other nutrients. Antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin protect your eyes from blue light, which comes from devices like smartphones and computers. These antioxidants act like internal sunglasses, filtering harmful blue light. So include green beans in your diet for better eye health. We all want healthy, glowing skin, and it turns out that green beans can help with that too. These humble vegetables are packed with antioxidants and vitamins that are essential for maintaining skin health and fighting the signs of aging. One of the key nutrients for skin health is vitamin C, and green beans are a good source of it. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, a protein that gives your skin its structure, elasticity, and that youthful plumpness. As we age, collagen production naturally declines, leading to wrinkles, fine lines, and sagging skin. By providing your body with vitamin C, green beans can help support collagen production, keeping your skin looking firm and youthful for longer. But the benefits of vitamin C don't stop there. It's also a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage caused by environmental factors like pollution and UV radiation. Speaking of environmental damage, that's where the antioxidants in green beans really shine. These powerful compounds help neutralize free radicals, those unstable molecules that can wreak havoc on your skin cells. Think of antioxidants like little warriors fighting off damage from pollution and UV rays. By scavenging free radicals, antioxidants protect your skin from oxidative stress. This helps prevent wrinkles and other signs of aging. Green beans contain antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which work together to protect your skin. So reach for some green beans for a skin-boosting snack.
Now, let's talk about a critical nutrient that's often overlooked: folate. Green beans are a good source of folate, also known as vitamin B9. Why is this important? Folate plays a vital role in DNA synthesis and repair. Think of DNA as your body's instruction manual. It tells your cells how to function and grow. Every time a cell divides, it needs to make a copy of its DNA, and folate is essential for this process. Without enough folate, DNA replication can go wrong, leading to errors in the genetic code. These errors can increase the risk of certain health problems. That's why getting enough folate is crucial, especially during periods of rapid cell growth and division, like pregnancy. For pregnant women, adequate folate intake is absolutely vital. It helps prevent neural tube defects, which are serious birth defects of the brain and spinal cord. The neural tube develops early in pregnancy, often before a woman even knows she's pregnant. That's why it's so important for women of childbearing age to consume enough folate even if they're not actively trying to conceive. Including folate-rich foods like green beans in your diet is a great way to support a healthy pregnancy. Remember, I'm not giving medical advice here. This is for informational purposes only. Always consult with your doctor or a qualified healthcare professional for any health concerns, or before making any changes to your diet or lifestyle, especially during pregnancy.
Let's face it, we all want to enjoy delicious food without worrying too much about calories. Well, here's some good news. Green beans are naturally low in calories. A 1-cup serving of cooked green beans contains only about 44 calories. That's incredibly low. This makes them an excellent choice for anyone watching their calorie intake. You can enjoy a generous portion of green beans without feeling guilty or significantly impacting your daily calorie budget. This makes them a fantastic addition to any meal, whether you're having a light lunch or a hearty dinner. But here's the best part. Even though they're low in calories, green beans are packed with nutrients. We're talking vitamins, minerals, fiber, and antioxidants, all the good stuff your body needs to thrive. This combination of low-calorie content and high nutrient density makes green beans a true nutritional powerhouse. They provide maximum nutritional value without adding unnecessary calories. So, if you're looking for a healthy and satisfying food that won't derail your health goals, look no further than green beans. They're a versatile and delicious way to add more nutrients to your diet without the calorie overload. So there you have it, 10 surprising health benefits of green beans. Who knew this humble vegetable could be so good for you? If you enjoyed this video and learned something new, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and remember to incorporate some delicious and nutritious green beans into your diet. Until next time, stay healthy.